Oh my god. You guys should see this. Look at this. Oh wow. Do you see that? A thunderstorm is right above us. Holy crap. Whoa. Oh. Wow. Sorry if it's a little blurry. Holy crap. I feel rain. Crap, I'm just videoing in front of me. Who farted? Oh yeah, that's my dog's explosive farts. Oh, wow. This is not animated at all. I'm feeling some rain. Holy crap. Oh, hello. Yep. Whoopie whoopie whoop.
This is insanio!
Stop. Dog. Who?
Oh my god. We're both
Okay.
building electronic devices that are creating electricity that may create.
Okay. I'll tell you a secret. Oh!
Oh my god.
I'm going to tell you guys a secret. Me and Luke are hoping to burn down the schools with him. We hope it will strike them. Although they do have a lot of, like, 1 or 2 antennas, like lightning rodish things. Oh, wow. I'm just going to video run.
Holy crap, that literally struck my school.
Yes! I won't have to go to... Oh, I'll just have to go to another freaking list. Do you see that, guys? I mean, with all this thunder, I'm worried there's going to be a freaking rain-covered... rain-wrapped tornado. Oh, wow. I'm just videoing in front of me right now. Oh, wow. It just glitched. Dude, it just glitched and made 2/3 of the screen go white. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this on the
You guys are
phone.
going to be out here separate so that if a bolt of lightning strikes, you don't both die.
I'm videoing. Come on.
Cover each other.
Luke.
Not by the tree.
In the middle of the yard. Oh, my gosh. The phone is completely lagging out.
Yes! Jake, look what I just got!
What?
The picture!
Oh, my gosh. Holy crap. Okay. I think there's going to be a rain-wrapped funnel cloud or tornado. But, oh, God. Oh, I worship my God. Oh, I think I'm going to get freaking hit. Is your phone waterproof, Luke? Oh, wow. The whole screen is lagging out, making portions of it white. Crap. Oh, yeah, that's just my flashing camera. Oh, wow. Oh, flash. Can you turn off the flash on that? I'm trying to watch some lightning. Holy crap. Wow. I'm just videoing in front of me now. Skeeter. Bad ski. Wow. Did you guys see that? I have to zoom out. I'm as far zoomed out as I can. Do you hear that? It's rupturing. Wait, like other
Okay,
way.
guys, so me and my brother are videoing this because right now we are having this insane lightning storm at our place. Whoa, that was awesome. I'm going to try and separate these pictures and get a perfect picture of an amazing lightning strike because you can separate videos on the new Samsung Galaxy phones. So,
Stop advertising.
shut up.
We don't want to advertise except for each other's channel. His is Fishman Huntmaster. Mine is,
That was an awesome strike.
I'm as zoomed out as I possibly can be. I'm gonna make it as dark as possible so you guys can see them.
This is insane.
It's not
Oh my god!
It's not actually this dark out, but I turned down the brightness so you guys could see them even better. Brightness goes up, brightness goes down.
Oh my god!
I'm just videoing in front of me and I'm getting like 50 million lightning strikes. Oh, did you see that, guys?
This is so dangerous. We are literally risking our lives to get this video for you guys. So like this video if you see this, okay?
Please! I'm risking my freaking life, and if I die on camera, heroic death.
The mosquitoes are everywhere.
I know. I'm gonna.
Oh. Move out of my camera view.
Sorry.
Oh my lord. It's raining now.
It's raining. It's pouring. You
The
want
old
some?
man is snoring.
You want some mosquito repellent?
Sure. I'm gonna pause this video so that I can put mosquito repellent on.
Gotcha. Oh!
This is liquid. You don't want liquid on yourself. Here we go again, guys.
It was really just a millisecond. You should turn down the brightness on your phone so they can really see it. That's what I'm doing. Oh, wow. The screen is totally glitching out. It's making literally lines.
I am literally scared, guys.
Holy crap! That lit up the whole area. There is no face revealance on this channel.
Holy moly! Holy moly!
As I was trying to say, there is no face revealance on this channel, but there is on Fishman Master. I usually do gaming videos, but when the right video calls, the right video gets what it wants. Whatever you want to call it. I only film the crap. Look, when I point at the ground, it's totally black. Hey, look, some natural light. You want to go look at the light bulbs? Sorry, I moved the camera.
Okay, this is gonna be the end of this video for you guys. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.
Not for this
I'm gonna try and
one.
split up the video.
Not for this one. Okay, so. Oh my god! I'm scared. Me, mommy. I'm kidding. I'm not scared. Holy crap. Holy crap. Look, you're missing out on some good material. And don't show well, you can show my face. I just can't show yours or mine on this channel. Oh my god. Oh my god. Everything but the sky is pitch black. When no thunder strikes, oh crap. The satellite is oh wow. The satellite is basically, okay, thunder strike. Yep, see the satellite? Whoa. That sounds like an earthquake right there. Oh, it's lighting up the sky. It's like the northern lights, but in flashy and white and very loud. Oh, holy crap. That was right over us. That was right there. Oh, crap. Okay. So, I will be posting longer videos. I will be posting videos that are about 17 minutes long now. Because I'm not going to explain it. Oh my gosh. I'm getting rained on. Let me zoom in as far as I can. I want to see thunder strike right in front of it. No, I'm not going to play around. Oh, that actually happened. Holy crap. I'm a lucky guy. I bet you only a couple other.
That's a shockwave, Jake.
What's a shockwave?
Holy fuck.
What was that?
That was over us.
Oh, I'm getting scared. Scared's good. I'm getting rained on. Mosquito repellent staying though, soaked in. Oh, my heart has been touched by the lightning. I died. Starting to rain. Oh wow. Wait, that was one of the bull bullets. Okay. Thanks. Well, that'll be free water for Cooper. Hey, Coop. Get under here. Whoa. Coop, get under here. This is awesome! Dude, don't yell. Holy crap, I want to go inside. Oh well.
You get a perfect picture.
I'm in my swim trunks anyways.
Come on.
Okay. Holy moly. Oh no, it's a reflection. Okay. I'm going back out. I am going back out. There's only reflection. Holy crap. Mommy? Oh. Is Daddy's phone waterproof? Mommy, is Daddy's phone waterproof? Because it's pouring rain and I want to be outside for a video. Can I sit on the porch? Okay, it's black in here. Okay. I have the darkness all the way off, all the way down. So,
You've videoed this for the last 13 minutes?
Yep.
And then?
Wait, thunder rolls and the lightning strikes? Put that on. Turn that on.
That was here.
That was literally
That
here.
cracked at the same time as I saw it.
This.
Mama, can I please video?
Whoa!
I need to go. I gotta take off that.
The Wi-Fi just went down.
Excuse me.
Wi-Fi just went down?
Yeah, the Wi-Fi just
that's
went
why
down.
it beeped. We had a power surge.
Wait, the power just went down?
It surged.
Oh, because one of the poles just got struck.
Oh, this could be worse than I thought. A night with no white noise is my... Holy crap! It's my worst
This
night.
is literally insane. We're gonna get a tornado.
Nah. Well, we might get another windstorm at this rate. Look at this. Look at those trees. I'm going to turn the brightness up for you. I'll try. Brightness up to max. You can't see the trees blowing, but they're blowing. They're blowing hard on.
I'd say the majority of the lightning.
It's not letting me do burst shots. That was above us.
That was above us.
Listen for it. Oh, it didn't go.
If we had the window open, we could get more sound for the video. Even just a crack, but no, I'm not risking getting wet. Holy crap.
Holy carp. The carp swim by my ankle.
That is it.
Okay, I will upload a second video of this because I only want to do short videos about 15 minutes long. So, bye, and I hope I don't die.